Zero-based budgeting, ZBB, is a strategic financial management approach that requires allocating every dollar of your income to specific expenses or savings goals, ensuring that your budget balance equals zero. Unlike traditional budgeting, where you might simply track expenses and aim to spend less than your income, zero-based budgeting demands a detailed examination of your financial priorities and forces you to give each dollar a purpose. Here at the Wallet Kit, we're going to illustrate the concept of zero-based budgeting. 1. Income assessment. Begin by calculating the income you totally receive monthly, including your salary, any additional sources of income, and irregular income like bonuses or commissions. Let's say your total monthly income is $5,000. 2. Expense identification. List all your monthly expenses and categorize them into fixed and variable categories. Fixed expenses include mortgage or rent, utilities, insurance, and debt payments, while variable expenses cover groceries, entertainment, dining out, and discretionary spending. Example: your monthly expenses could include rent, $1,200, utilities, $200, groceries, $300, transportation, $150, insurance, $100, entertainment, $100, and debt payments, $500. 3. Allocate funds. Assign a specific amount of money to each expense category based on your financial priorities and available income. Start with essentials like housing, utilities, groceries, and debt payments. Allocate funds to these categories first. For instance, you can allocate $1,200 for rent, $200 for utilities, $300 for groceries, $150 for transportation, $100 for insurance, $100 for entertainment, and $500 for debt payments. The total allocated is $2,550. 4. Balance to zero. The core principle of zero-based budgeting is to ensure that your total income minus your allocated expenses equals zero. In other words, every dollar you earn is accounted for in your budget, with nothing left over. With a monthly income of $5,000 and $2,550 allocated expenses, you have $2,450 remaining to allocate to other categories or financial goals to achieve a balanced budget. 5. Prioritize financial goals. Zero-based budgeting allows you to prioritize financial goals by allocating funds to savings, investments, or debt reduction categories. This ensures that your financial objectives are given a prominent place in your budget. You can allocate $500 for savings each month to build an emergency fund or save for a vacation. 6. Monitoring and adjustments. Throughout the month, monitor your spending closely and make adjustments if necessary. If you overspend in one category, reallocate funds from another category to cover the shortfall. For instance, if you overspend by $50 in the entertainment category, you can adjust by reducing spending in another discretionary category like dining out or shopping. 7. Long-term financial strategy. Zero-based budgeting isn't just about balancing your budget for the month, it's a long-term financial strategy. It empowers you to align your spending with your financial goals, ensuring that your income is working towards achieving your priorities. Over time, by consistently following your zero-based budget and allocating funds strategically, you can reduce debt, increase savings, and work toward achieving major financial milestones like buying a home, funding education, or retiring comfortably. Overall, zero-based budgeting is a proactive approach to personal finance that requires careful planning and allocation of every dollar you earn. By giving each dollar a specific purpose and prioritizing your financial goals, you can achieve better control over your finances, reduce debt, build savings, and work towards long-term financial security.